As the world deals with the rising plastic pollution crisis, the quest for sustainable alternatives has never been more urgent. Traditional plastics, derived from non-renewable fossil fuels, continue in our environment for periods, suffocating ecosystems, endangering wildlife, and contributing to the growing danger of land and marine pollution. Biodegradable plastics emerge as a beacon of hope, promising to address these issues with materials that decompose back into nature under the right conditions. This introduction underscores the critical need to pivot towards these innovative materials to ease the environmental burden of our plastic dependency. Biodegradable plastics defined. Biodegradable plastics are materials that microorganisms can break down into natural substances like water, carbon dioxide, and biomass within a specific time frame under certain conditions. This category is distinct from traditional plastics, which are resistant to degradation and can linger in the environment for hundreds to thousands of years. Biodegradable plastics can be chemically manufactured to enable biodegradation or obtained from renewable resources like plants. Their unique composition enables a more eco-friendly life cycle, potentially reducing the buildup of waste in landfills and natural habitats. Wildlife hazards and plastic consumption. The environmental consequences of traditional plastics are profound and far-reaching. These materials contribute to a spectrum of ecological crises, from forming vast oceanic garbage patches to disturbing earthly and aquatic ecosystems. When wildlife mistake plastics for food, they may ingest or become entangled in them, which can cause harm or even death. Moreover, the production and degradation of these plastics release significant amounts of greenhouse gases, worsening climate change. The persistence of traditional plastics in the environment highlights a pressing need for alternatives to alleviate these impacts. Decomposition mechanism of biodegradable plastics. Biodegradable plastics decompose through the action of naturally occurring microorganisms, such as bacteria and fungi. These organisms metabolize the plastic material, breaking it into water, carbon dioxide, or methane in anaerobic conditions, and biomass. The rate and efficiency of this process depend on various factors, including the material's chemical composition, the environmental conditions, temperature, humidity, presence of microorganisms, and the product's thickness. Some biodegradable plastics require industrial composting facilities to break down, where controlled conditions accelerate the degradation process, while others can degrade in natural environments, although more slowly. How does polylactic acid, PLA, stand out among biodegradable plastics, and what specific applications make it a popular choice in various industries? Let's find out, but wait. If you enjoyed what you saw, don't forget to hit the like button and ring the notification bell so you never miss our upcoming videos. Types of biodegradable plastics. The landscape of biodegradable plastics includes a varied array of materials, each with unique properties and applications. Polylactic acid, PLA, derived from agitated plant starch, egg corn. PLA is popular in food packaging, disposable tableware, and biodegradable medical devices. It requires industrial composting conditions for degradation. Polyhydroxyalkanoates, PHA. Produced by microorganisms under stress conditions, PHA is suitable for various applications, including packaging, agricultural films, and even in the medical field due to its biocompatibility. Starch-based blends. These materials combine starch with other biodegradable polymers, enhancing their strength and flexibility. They are used in packaging, bags, and compostable products. Cellulose-based plastics. Made from cellulose, a natural polymer found in plants, these plastics are used in films, wrappers, and containers. They offer the advantage of being derived from Earth's most abundant organic compound. Advantages of harmless decomposition. The shift to biodegradable plastics offers numerous environmental benefits. Reduced reliance on fossil fuels. Many biodegradable plastics are made from renewable resources, decreasing our dependency on oil and gas. Decreased pollution and waste. By breaking down into harmless substances, these plastics can significantly reduce the volume of waste in landfills and pollution in natural environments. Potential for composting. Properly managed, biodegradable plastics can contribute to composting, enriching soil, and supporting circular waste management practices. Degradation challenges. Despite their benefits, biodegradable plastics face several challenges. Specific conditions for degradation. Many require industrial composting facilities, which are not universally available, to degrade efficiently. Potential for increased greenhouse gas emissions. If not properly managed, the decomposition of biodegradable plastics can release methane, a potent greenhouse gas. Consumer confusion. Misunderstandings about where and how these plastics can be disposed of may lead to improper handling, undermining their environmental benefits. Biodegradation speed and absence of toxic residues. Regulations and certifications play a crucial role in ensuring the environmental integrity of biodegradable plastics. Standards like ASTM D6400 and EN 13432 set criteria for compostability, including biodegradation speed and the absence of toxic residues. These certifications help consumers and businesses identify products that meet environmental standards, fostering trust in biodegradable plastics as a sustainable option. Revolutionizing food packaging. Innovative applications of biodegradable plastics are being explored across various sectors. A significant food retailer has replaced conventional plastic packaging with PLA for its range of fresh produce, significantly reducing its carbon footprint. An agricultural company has developed PHA-based mulch films that degrade after the growing season, eliminating the need for removal and disposal. Proper disposal of biodegradable plastics. Clarifying misconceptions is energetic for the effective use of biodegradable plastics. Many believe these materials can be disposed of in nature without consequence, overlooking the conditions required for their degradation. Educating the public on the proper disposal and composting of biodegradable plastics is essential to realize their environmental benefits fully. Shaping next-generation bioplastics. The future of biodegradable plastics is marked by ongoing research and innovation, aiming to produce materials with improved biodegradability, performance, and cost-effectiveness. Genetic engineering and materials science advances are paving the way for next-generation bioplastics that could degrade more efficiently in a broader range of conditions, reducing their environmental impact. Biodegradable plastics offer a promising avenue for mitigating the environmental impacts of our global reliance on plastics. By embracing these materials and adhering to responsible disposal practices, we can take a significant step toward a more sustainable and less polluted world. However, realizing this vision requires overcoming current challenges through innovation, regulation, and public education, ensuring that biodegradable plastics can deliver their environmental promise. How can innovations in genetic engineering and materials science contribute to developing next-generation bioplastics that address current challenges and further improve these materials' biodegradability, performance, and cost-effectiveness? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for tuning in to today's video. If you enjoyed what you saw, don't forget to hit the like button and ring the notification bell so you never miss our upcoming videos. Your support means a lot to us. Take care until the next one, and feel free to drop a comment sharing your thoughts.